Hi class, I am here to teach you our new sight word this week, and our new sight word is one of those small words again that are just one letter, and it's A. Okay? So we say A, and we can use this in sentences when we are talking about one thing. So let's look at some example sentences so that we can talk about how we use the word A. So I have my sentence sheets right here, and I apologize, there's a little bit of a glare. So I'm trying to figure out, okay, here we go. So we start here. I can see a cat. So when it says a, I know that I only see one cat. So I can see a cat. Okay? That tells me I see one cat. Let's practice some other sentences that have some other sight words in them. And again, I apologize for the glare. How about this one? We like the book. We like the book. Okay? And that, again, it says like it's a specific book because it uses the word the. Right here, I see a, that's our special sight word for the week. Dog. Dog. So let's try that sentence again. I see a dog. So how many dogs do we see? One, because we used the sight word a. Okay, let's read this one together. We see a duck. So let's try it again now that we sounded that word out. We see a duck. So how many ducks did we see? We only saw one because we used the word a. All right, my class, so I look forward to you using the word a in your reading and writing. I should hold it the right way. So a, and let's quickly review our other sight words, even though we just practiced them with our sentences. So here we go. So we have we, W-E, we, S-E-E, C, L-I-K-E, like, and, A-N-D, and, the, T-H-E, the, can, C-A-N, can, again, C-A-N, can, C, S-E-E, C, like, L-I-K-E, like, I, the, T-H-E, the. And then finally, our new sight word, A. So you're going to be practicing these sight words in our little reader. I can see. And you are also going to be practicing these sight words in our bingo game that you're going to be playing to practice your sight words this week. Okay, have a great week.